Hey everybody, it's Robin and welcome to the Robin's Nest, where we are caking up some fun with this awesome Harry Styles themed cake inspired by his latest hit song, Watermelon Sugar. Now this song has been on the top of my playlist all summer long. I can't get enough. It is such a feel-good song and I am such a big fan. And this cake is going to be so fun. So let's get into it. So because the name of the song is Watermelon Sugar, I thought it would be really fun to make a cake that looks like a watermelon inside and out. So as you can see, I've baked up 4 vanilla cake layers and I've dyed 3 of them with a pretty pink color and 1 of them with a bright green. And I've also added some chocolate chips to my pink layers to make it look like black watermelon seeds when you slice open the cake. So we're just going to start out by trimming these down and leveling them out. Then we're going to stack, fill, and chill our cake. Alright, so to make this look like a watermelon inside, we're going to have to stack this strategically. So I'm going to start with a little bit of green icing on my cake board. And we're just going to put a little dollop on there to give our cake something to stick to. Then we're going to take our green layer and we're going to press that down firmly. Then we're going to add a layer of light green icing with a layer of white icing on top of that. So to help make serving simple, so the cake can be sliced 2 layers at a time, and to help my cake stack nice and straight, we're going to add a support system. So I'm going to be inserting some wooden dowels inside my cake and trimming them down, and then we're going to add a cake board in between our layers. And then I'm going to finish stacking and filling my cake, and then we're going to pop it in the fridge to chill. So once your cake has had lots of time to chill and your icing layers have firmed up really well, you can go ahead and start icing your cake. Now normally at this point I would do a crumb coat, but today I've actually filled up some piping bags and we're going to apply a nice generous layer of icing all over the cake and smooth it out with a plastic bench scraper all in one step. So I'm going to start with a dark green, work my way up to a light green, then white, then dark pink, and then light pink at the top. Alright, I got my cake fully iced and I think that looks great. I cannot wait to see what it looks like with all the seeds on it because it already looks so good I can almost taste it. What do you guys think? So I'm going to pop this in the fridge to chill for now, and in the meantime we're going to start working on some of our fondant decor. So for our decorations, I'm going to be making some little watermelon wedges and some little strawberries too. But I've also drawn up some stencils, and we're going to do a little painted picture of Harry sitting on a watermelon for the front of our cake and a little watermelon sugar topper for the very top. So I'm going to start with these first because these are going to need some time to dry, and I've already added some Tylo powder to my fondant in advance. So I'm going to roll this out and we're going to apply our stencil. Then I'm going to use some gel food color mixed with water and a very soft pink brush to paint our pictures. So I finished with my painting and I've set those pieces to dry for now. So next we're going to start working on our little watermelon wedges and our little strawberries. And I know you guys can't tell, but I used a little bit of strawberry candy oil to flavor my red fondant so it tastes like strawberries, just like the line in the song. Alright, that's it for our watermelons. I just have a few strawberries left to make, and then we're going to take everything and put it all on the cake. But before I finish up, I just want to say that I really hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far, and if you have, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, and let me know what you think about this cake in the comment section too. Alright, so on to our strawberries, and this fondant smells amazing. There we go. That's it for the fruit. I love how they turned out. I think they're so cute. What do you guys think? Alright, so that's basically it. We just have one more little thing left to do. I'm going to make a few little seeds to go around the outside of our cake, and then I'm going to add all of our finishing touches, and I'll show you guys the finished product. And ta-da, here it is guys, what do you think? I think this is a perfect summer cake to complement an awesome summer song. Well, that's it for today guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you guys know what to do. Hit that big thumbs up button and leave me some love in the comment section too. And if you haven't done so already and you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you receive a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.